What if I told you there is a legit way to pull about $27.50 a week online, no dropshipping, no crypto roulette, just affiliate marketing? Today, I'll show you exactly the approach I use with CRAKREVENUE, FabChat style offer, and native ads. I'll give you targeting creatives, landing pages, tracking optimization, the whole playbook. Now, quick reality check. Marketing equals testing. Your results will vary. This is educational and we keep it 18 plus compliant, no clocking, no sketchy stuff, okay? Perfect. The policies first, they protect your accounts and your profits. What we are promoting, it's FabChat via CRAKREVENUE. For those of you who don't know, CRAKREVENUE is one of the top affiliate networks for adult and dating offers with small tools and account support. Now you will find cam and chat offers like FabChat type flows, dating, and even a small link tag that auto routes traffic to whatever converts best for geo and device. A small tip now, ask your account manager for offer access plus allowed traffic sources. Inside your account, grab a FabChat style offer, or if you're just starting, use the dating cam smart link to simplify testing. So where we run ads, important compliance note. Now, a huge point, if you heard of AdSkipper, it's a mainstream native ad network. Their policy prohibits adult content and live cams, so don't run explicit FabChat ad there or you will get rejected and possibly banned, right? Now, if you want to stick with AdSkipper, advertising network, keep it mainstream, PG dating, no adult or cam references. For adult creatives, use adult-friendly networks, maybe like Traffic Stars, XLClick, or Traffic Junkie, right? Perfect. Adult-friendly options, like I said, Traffic Stars explicitly supports adult dating, gaming, 7 billion plus daily impressions. That's trafficstars.com. XLClick, one of the longest adult advertising networks with many formats, adult inventory. There's also Traffic Junkie, advertising network behind top adult websites, clear rules for adult verticals. That's trafficjunkie.com. Now, running adult on mainstream network is like bringing a karaoke mic to a library. Someone will shush you and it won't be gentle, so be very careful, don't break the rules. So to get started, create an advertising account on Traffic Stars, XLClick, Traffic Junkie, you name it. Fund your account. As a ballpark, many networks let you start with a few $100s. I know AdSkipper mentions like $100 minimum deposit, but again, not for adult. So please try maybe Traffic Junkie. Choose geos. Start with top converting geos from the offer description. Choose the best device, mobile first for chat offers. OS start broad, exclude non-performance later. Formats, I would say try native and push first, then go for banners and in-page push. Test at least 2 at a time. Frequency cap, start with 1-2 per day per user. So the ad will display 1-2 times to the same user. Regarding targeting and bids, begin with a broad targeting. In your chosen geo, then trim. We have CPC and CPM, bids near the network recommended floor, then increase on placements that generate click-through rate and conversions, of course. They part later when data says so. So keep budgets tight at first, think at 50, maybe maximum $150 per day per test campaign. So for adult networks, suggestive is enough. Now you are selling the idea of live chat, so avoid misleading claims. Rotate 6 or 12 creatives on launch. I cannot show you, but there's some formatted ad angles for other ad networks. Obviously, YouTube cannot show the kind of images and the banners. So she's actually online now, something like that, 18 plus. Chat privately, no small talk. Enter your age to continue. Local chat invites are piling up as well. Open the chat and pick who to talk to. 18 plus only, right? Another headline, new profiles in your area, 18 plus. Maybe also live chat rooms are active. Join in 30 seconds. So these are my suggestions. Now remember, curiosity sells. We are not writing Shakespeare, more like Textpeare. Okay. Use a simple pre-render, age gate, maybe then a 2-3 question quiz, continue to chat, then keep loading a speed snappy. The pre-render warms users up and filters tourists. Please set up S2S postback so conversions fire into your tracker. In CRAKREVENUE, create a postback, a global or a offer level, and map the macros. Click ID, sub ID, payout. Your tracker then tells you which ad placement actually made you money, right? So it's really important to do this step. A small tip, without postback, you are flying blind. So especially when you have a lot of campaigns, a lot of tests. So please do the tracking properly. Now about optimization. Every 24 to 48 hours, pause the creative with click-through rate below your median. Blacklist all the placements with clicks but 0 conversions after. Let's say 2-3x your target CPA. Then raise the bets where EPC and ROI is strong. Now you have to do A/B test the pre-render, the headline, and the call to action color, one change at a time. You also consider the small link testing if you want auto optimization across multiple chat dating offers, right? And remember, optimization is like doing the laundry. Ignore it for a week and suddenly everything smells expensive, right? I know. Let's start with route A. So if you want to advertise on Adscaper or similar, do not push adult camp offers, right? Keep it mainstream dating, wholesome imagery, no nudity, no explicit text, no money for date implications. And when in doubt, you can ask your account manager and review their creatives guidelines. Here's a few PG-friendly ad copy examples for mainstream networks. Headlines such as meet new people near you or real profiles, start a respectful chat today. You can also try something like ready to actually meet someone. Find local singles, free to start. Another one is maybe this week's top chat matches, or join in 30 seconds, keep it friendly. Perfect. Some of the common mistakes to avoid: no colloquing or misrepresentations, explicit creatives on mainstream networks, instant ban, right? So don't do it. No post backtracking. You won't know what's profitable, so please do proper tracking. Slow vendors, you are paying for bounces, so make sure the website loading fast. Ignore policies, don't do that. They change often, so check often as well. And remember, breaking ad policies is like microwaving fish at the office. Technically possible, socially expensive as hell. Now, a quick recap. So number one, join CRAKREVENUE, get a Fab Chat style offer, or start with a small link or any offer you want. Number 2, choose adult ad network such as Traffic Stars, XOClick, Traffic Junkie for adult creatives. Number 3, build PG compliant freelancers. The whole age gate mini quiz in call to action. Then number 4, launch multiple creatives, track with SOS, pass back, optimize daily, watch the ads daily, how they perform. And number 5, if you need mainstream ads, mainstream native ads like AdScaper, you can use PG dating, angles only, no adult, no webcams, because you will be banned, right? We don't want that. Perfect. Now, if you found this useful, hit the like, subscribe button, drop Fab Chat in the comments, and I'll post the pre-render template I'm using and get a lot of conversions. Work smart, play by the rules, and I'll see you guys in the winners column. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next recommendation. Peace out.